Yo, this is my reality. This is society. Yo. This society's got me going crazy. Ladies with babies and they think that everything is gravy. Being shady lately, what have you leaning on maybes? But I'm just contemplating what placing what I be facing. Being real is so basic, but the use mine's been replaced with drugs, money, and women. I thought that was all forsaken. Making conversations with Satan, and it's so blatant. It's just true statements from the one who's evaded from insulating the persuading invasion. I ain't waiting on illustrating this educating amazement, cause this rap game's ridiculous. I'm coming as a lyricist, attitude is so vigorous. No competitive participants, y'all just lacking deliverance. Homie, it's just so pitiful. All your shit is so typical, always missing the principle. Let me give you nutritional rap that is original. The topic's irresistible, that's why I'm rapping so biblical. That's additional, rhyming critical. Friends are so predictable, that's why I make good decisions. Instead of being stuck in a useless prison, I envision ambition and recognition. Neglecting television, cause that's y'all's brainwashed religion. Just sit here and listen as the real has been spitting for over a minute. Just witness the sickness, lyrically insisted to rip this. Now why do you think I'm rapping so vicious? The anger's been inflicted, my mind has been shifted from thinking I'm gifted, but I'm only commencing. All these drugs and all this evil, that's what I'm preventing. Yeah. That's only a minute 30. There's about 4 minutes left of this song, but y'all gonna have to wait for that. Yeah, my reality.